Google Sheets is a powerful tool, and here are some common tricks to help you in your workday. Here is a quick, simple way to make your sheets easier to read. Notice that you can select all of your data in your columns by clicking on the column letters here. This also works with the numbers on the rows. If you want to select all, this top left corner lets you select everything on the sheet. Once the entire sheet is selected, go to Format, select alternating colors. On the right, you can toggle between the colors of your choice. Here's a trick to create an email address with data in a sheet. For example, I know the email starts with an S, includes the ID, and then ends with @d47s.org. Start by typing an equal sign. Type concat and select concatenate. Quote, S, end quote, comma. Then select the cell in the same row that contains the ID number, comma, quote, @d47s.org, end quote. Then press enter. You can see the string that we typed and the data that we selected have been linked together. To repeat the formula down the sheet, you can drag the box on the lower right down to the last row. This takes a little practice, but once you get it down, I think you'll find it to be extremely helpful and can save you a ton of time. Now, if you want to add checkboxes, you can highlight cells, go to Insert, Checkbox. Lastly, here's a super fast way to make a chart. On the lower right, there is an Explore button. Initially, the chart may not make sense, but as soon as you click and drag the proper columns, voila! Now hover over the chart and insert. You can bring the chart onto its own sheet by clicking the three dots, click Move to Own Sheet. Click the Edit Chart button, and you can customize. Thank you, everyone. Make it a great day.